Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add your complete address into your ShopPay application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application at very first, and after opening your ShopPay application, you just simply have to go over your profile into the top right corner. Tap into there, and after that you will get the option of addresses into here. Just simply tap to addresses, and after tapping into there you just simply have to tap to add addresses option, and after tapping that you will get this page to add all of your informations and addresses. First of all, you have to enter your first name and last name, which is into your registered ID card or document. Then just simply select your country or region, and after that you have to type your address again, which must be the city in this case. Then after that enter the shoot or apartment and company, but all these three are optional informations. You can add only if you want to add. Then after that enter your phone number, city, and then postcode. Then after entering all these details, just simply tap to save address, and it will help to deliver your product to you very quickly and without problem. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.